Hello my viewers, welcome to our online tutorial. Today we are going to continue from where we stopped under the completing the square method. In our last video we have seen how to solve a quadratic equation using completing the square, and also today we are going to see another example of this quadratic equation using the completing square method. The next question we have say x squared plus 10x plus 21 is equals to 0, and the 5x squared plus 6x minus 8 is equals to 0. So before we proceed, if you do not subscribe, you have to subscribe to our channel to see more of this coming. So now let us start with the number one. Solution number one say x squared plus 10x plus 21 is equals to 0. The first of all, we have to start changing this our constant to go to the next side or to another side of the equal sign. So we have x squared plus 10x is equals to minus 21. This plus 21, if it cross the equal sign, it will become minus. So the next thing is to consider the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is 10. We have to divide it by 2 and then square it. If we divide 10 by 2 and then square it, you will see that we have 5 square. This 5 square will now be added to both sides, to this side and this side of the equation. So now we have x squared, or let us say x plus 5 square is equals to minus 21 plus 5 square. This is the same as what? Minus 21 plus 25. I hope we are following. Is equals to x plus 5 square. Very simple. Can we see it? So let us use this side also. So here we have x plus 5 square is equals to minus 21 plus 25 will give us 4, because 25 minus 21 will give us 4. It's like you are subtracting minus 21 plus from the 25. So here we have 4. The next thing is to take the square root of both sides. So this square should cancel the square root. So we have x is equals to x plus 5, is equals to plus or minus the square root of 4 is 2. Very simple. So from here we have x is equals to plus or minus 2. This one should go to another side, we have minus 5. Very simple. Therefore, x is equals to 2 minus 5 or minus 2 minus 5. I hope we are following. From here you can see that we have, therefore our x is equals to 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 3, or 2 is 2 minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5 will give us minus 7. So minus 3 or minus 7 will be the value of this x. Very simple. If you have any question, you are free to ask me through the comment section. Let us see the next question. Let me clean this side also and see the next one. Very simple. If you do not subscribe, please subscribe so you could be seeing more of this. So the next question says 5x squared plus 6x minus 8 is equals to 0. So here is also the same. We have to transfer this to another side. So we have 5x squared plus 6x is equals to 8. Can we see it? But here we have to consider the coefficient of f. We have to divide 2 by 8. So here we have to say divided by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5. So simple. Can you see? So here 5 cancel 5. We have x squared plus 6 all over 5x is equals to 8 all over 5. I hope we are following. So here our new coefficient is 6 all over 5. We have to look for half of it, or we have to divide it by 2. So we say the times 1 over 2 will give us what? 6 all over 10. When we see it, this is the same as what? 2 can go into 6 3 times, and it can go into 10 5 times. I hope you are following. So here we have 3 all over 5. This 3 all over 5, we have to square it and then add it to both sides. I hope you are following. So here we have, let me clean this side also. So here we have x plus 3 all over 5 square is equals to 8 all over 5 plus 3 all over 5 square. Very simple. Can we see it? Let me clean this. So the next thing is to what? Let us simplify this side. So here we have 8 all over 5 plus 9 all over 25. I hope you are following, because the square of 5 is 25 and the square of 3 is 9. Very simple. We have is equals to x plus 3 all over 5 square. Are we following? So the next thing, we have to also simplify this again. So here let us multiply by what? 5 times 8 all over 5 times 5 plus 9 all over 25. We do not commit any offense here. We just multiply with 1, because 5 all over 5 is 1. So here we have, this is the same as 5 times 8 will give us 40 divided by 25 plus 9 all over 25. We try to have the same denominator here. So here we have 40 plus 9 will give us 49 all over 25. I hope you are following. This is the same as what? X plus 3 all over 5. Can we see it? If you have any question, you are free to ask me. So let me clean this side and continue. So the next thing here is to also take the square root of both sides. So when we take the square root of both sides, we have x plus 3 all over 5. When we see it, this square cancel the square root. So here we have is equals to the square root of 49 will give us 7. We have plus or minus 7 all over. The square root of 25 will give us 5. Are we following? So the next thing here we have x plus. Okay, let us take this x plus. We have to expand the bracket. Let me open the bracket. Are we following? So here this 3 all over 5 will now be transferred to the other side. So here we have x is equals to plus or minus 7 all over 5 minus 3 all over 5. Are we following? So now we have our x is equals to 7 all over 5 minus 3 all over 5, or our x is equals to minus 7 all over 5 minus 3 all over 5. Very simple, because we have plus or minus, therefore x has its own two values. That is, one is the plus and one is negative. I hope you are following. So here we have our x. 7 minus 3 will give us 4. Yes, we have 4 all over 5. And the next one here we have O. We have minus 7 minus 3 will give us what? Minus 10 all over 5. Therefore, our x is equals to 4 all over 5, or we have minus 10 all over 5 minus 2. So simple. So if you have any question, you are free to ask me to the comment section. Thank you for watching and thank you for following. I will see you in the next class. Thank you. Now, next class, we are going to start seeing how to solve a polynomial or an introduction to polynomial. I will see you in the next video.